Who do I see as I'm standing at the riverside? 3 ducklings and their mommy swimming my way. Oh, what a sight to see. 3 little ducklings and their mommy coming my way. Oh, what a sight to see. I'm standing by the riverside, enjoying the breeze and the lush green trees. I'm standing by the riverside. All the passers-by, how beautiful to see. Quack, 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 they cry. Tweety, tweet as they fly by. How beautiful to see the river running by. It's so nice in the breeze. Swimming upstream, Mama's watching closely. Swimming upstream, looking for food I perceive. Oh, have they found? Yes, they have some bread in the rushes. Oh, what a sight. Let me see if I can get you to see what I see. They found some bread stuck in the reeds. Oh, what a sight for me. Thank you, Lord, that I came by to see. Ooh. Swimming against the current, what path will they take? Shallows are nearby. Let's see how they navigate the streams of life. Swimming upstream, oh, they've come to another place, feeding, enjoying what the Lord has provided. No worry, he says. I take care of the birds, the flowers of the field, so why then should you worry? Don't you worry, I take care of the birds, don't you see? Not a care in the world, they go out, they come in, I take care of them. Mm-hmm. Don't you worry, I'll take care of you.